Yes. Bomb or fight. Yeah.
I have a strong feeling they're PvE because Summer was capped very quickly. Like very fucking quickly.
Oh, what if they have swap? You don't know if they have swap, bro.
They have heavy mesh in there.
Oh, look, they have baby mace.
Yeah, man. What is this
Yeah,
going on?
man.
They're
Yeah,
LP.
let's go P2. Let's go P2. Everybody go P2. Yes, bang.
One, not one.
It's MLPVE color. Huh?
I know.
Oh, it's Kira.
Oh, this is gonna be so fun.
Let's go P2. Let's go P2. Fast. OP2, OP2. Don't get caught, yeah? OP2, fast, OP2. Dismount there, and OP2.
The best PvE call in all continent. Don't get
Let's
caught.
go P2. Give me info, Def Tanks.
They're in here.
They're just waiting there?
Yeah. This one
Oh,
in
let's
here.
go P2, Nigan. What comp?
Mix side.
Mix, okay.
But they have bedrock.
Yeah. They have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's PvE brawl capacity.
They call it.
Yo, don't get caught, bro. Don't get caught. You're getting caught there, bro. I think they will fight. No?
Yeah,
What they
they're
want?
carving and
They're
staying
staying there.
They will
What
try
about
to fight. They will try to fight.
Yeah.
Yeah, just come here.
Anybody
Yeah, they will come here. Come here.
Come here is OP2, right? Come here is OP2.
Yeah, OP2, yes, OP2. I told OP2. Let's go OP2, guys.
Yeah, everyone come OP2.
Let's go OP2. Yeah, they're coming here now. Yeah. Full check. Tell me the gates again. If you see anything else. I'm gonna fight here, bro.
Everyone come to OP2. Let's make sure it's spread. Like I can see your clump.
Yeah, they're coming here. Full check now.
They're here.
Oh, it's Alicrom, yeah. It's Alicrom.
Morning Star.
Yeah, it's morning, sir. Let's go. Yeah, this is good content. This is good content, guys. This is good content. Yeah, they will fight.
Stay in OP,
They'll
guys.
fight.
Stay in OP. Only death tanks outside. Everyone else still in OP. Spread.
They're
remember,
coming from southeast.
Okay. I know. It's just Alicrom, guys. Kiss and W's only. Okay.
Mm.
Full check now.
Lang,
OC.
tao.
Pop your C. Let's go C. Okay. Left tanks front now.
Going in.
In front. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast, boys. Southeast. Defensive now. Oh my god. Defensive, boys. Defensive. Come outside. Come outside fast. Full push. Roll inside. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll inside, boys. We're winning. Spread southwest. Kill them all.
You're on.
Kill them all. Southwest. Oh my god, boys. I love you, everyone, nigga. Oh my god.
Many of them are south. Low. Timo is low here.
Spread southwest. Yeah. Just spread southwest. Let's go, Ramon. Let's kill these guys. Let's go, Ramon. It's the tanks between everyone, bro.
Oh
Just kill them all. Kill them all, niggas. Just spread. They managed to get away, some of them.
I got invested our OP.
Says Kebab, no.